Welcome to you all. Today's topic is electric potential energy of an electric dipole placed on a uniform electric field. Okay? So let us consider an electric dipole. On electric dipole having two charges, plus q and minus q. Okay. Suppose two charges plus q minus q, this dipole is placed in a uniform field. Then torque acting on the dipole. Torque acting on the dipole. That is, tie is equal to P cross E. Okay. So that is equal to P E sin theta, where P is equal to dipole moment, E is equal to electric field intensity, theta is equal to angle between dipole and the direction of the field. Okay. So if the dipole is placed in a uniform field, then we can find out the torque. Torque is equal to P E cross E, that is P E sin theta. Okay. So theta is equal to angle between the dipole and direction of the electric field. This is the uniform field. This is the dipole. Plus q what A, minus q what V. Suppose then the angle is suppose theta 1. Suppose theta 1. If this is rotated with an angle d theta, this is your theta 1, this is d theta. So this angle is, let that is theta 2. Clear? So first position is A, B. Now this is A dash, B dash. So first is angle theta 1, after rotation that is theta 2. Clear? So the rotating angle is d theta. Okay? So when the dipole is rotated with an angle d theta, work has to be done. Okay, work has to be done. What is the amount of work done? What we can find out what is work done? As it is rotated, then what is the dw? dw is equal to tie d theta. Okay, what is d theta? D theta is the angle between the two positions of the dipole. Okay. So that means d theta is also equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. theta 1 minus that is the theta. Okay, so we can find out the amount of work done. What is the amount of work done? Theta is equal to Pe sin theta d theta. So dW is equal to P sin theta d theta. So why it is the amount of work done when rotated? So for total work done, W is equal to integration dW, that is 0 to W. So P E sin theta d theta, theta 1 to theta 2. So that is equal to P. So sin theta d theta means integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. That is Pe minus cos theta 2 minus of minus cos theta 1. So that is equal to Pe minus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1. This is equal to W is equal to minus Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This is the amount of work done. Okay. So amount of work done. So work is equivalent to your energy. So energy, electric potential energy is equal to minus Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Okay. If the special cases, case 1 is suppose theta is the first position is perpendicular to the lines of force. Okay. Case 1, theta 1 is equal to 90 degree and theta 2 suppose theta, like this. This is the first position. Okay, this is the first position. Now last position is your, now it is your, this is theta. Okay, so what is the amount of work done? Minus Pe, theta 1 is 90, that means cos theta minus cos 90 degree. What is cos 90? Who can say? Cos 90 is equal to 0. So that is equal to minus Pe cos theta. Okay. So if theta 1 is 90, theta 2 is theta, then the amount of work done is equal to minus Pe cos theta. This is the amount of electric potential energy. Case 1. Case 2. If theta 1 is equal to 90 degree and theta 2 is equal to 0 degree. 0 degree. So what is the position? This is the first position. Then second position is like this. Minus Q. This is 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree. Hello. If theta 2 is 0 degree, what is your W? Minus Pe cos 0 degree minus cos 90 degree. So cos 0 degree means minus Pe 1 minus 0, that is minus Pe. Okay, minus P. So W is equal to minus P if theta 190, theta 2 is 0 degree. Case 3. theta 1 is 90 degree, theta 2 is 180 degree. Theta 1 9 degree, theta 2 is means 180 like this, clear. Now position, this is plus q, this is minus q. Theta 2 is, that is 180 degree. So 180 means what is your W? Minus PE cos 180 degree minus cos 90 degree. So that is equal to minus PE into minus 1 minus 0, that is equal to plus PE. So W is equal to PE. This is different cases. So this all out here, electric potential energy of an electric dipole placed on a uniform field with some cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3. Okay, that's all. Thank you all.